are times when you're so weak you can't go on, but you're not alone. I've been there. There are times when every shred of hope is gone. You're not alone. I've been there. But try to get up off the ground, 'cause it's gonna turn around. I know you can't be found, and the sky is falling down. But when the sun comes out, it's gonna get better. So even when the lights burn out, there's a lining in the clouds, and it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. So even when the lights burn out, there's a lining in the clouds, and it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. I can promise you the pain won't last forever, because I know I've been there. And I can promise you no matter what you'll treasure, because I know I've been there. It's time to get up off the ground, 'cause it's gonna turn around. I know you can't be found, and the sky is falling down. But when the sun comes out, it's gonna get better. So even when the lights burn out, there's a lining in the clouds, and it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. So call me when you're feeling down, 'cause I'll always be around. And when the sun comes out, it's gonna get better. Even when the lights burn out, there's a lining in the clouds, and it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. Gonna get better. It's gonna get better. Gonna get better. I don't know where you are going, but you shouldn't go there alone. Yeah. I would like to go there with you, but you gotta pick up the phone and answer your phone. I just don't know what you need, but I'm not gonna stand out here all day and watch you slip away. I'm not going to beg or plead, but if we can't communicate, something's gotta change. 'Cause what you need is a way to escape all the crazy commotion. And could you please find a way to display just a trace of emotion? I know we're gonna be okay if you don't keep pushing me away. You got me weak by the way you behave in the face of devotion. I'm not trying to convince you, but I'm pretty sure you're the one. But if you don't ever answer, how are we gonna have any fun? Have any fun? 'Cause I know exactly what you need, but give me your hand, because today is about to slip away. I have tried to beg